How to fix Google Chrome high memory uses. First, what you'll have to do is just open up your Google. After you open your Google up, just go to your settings. Now let me go to another tab right here. Tap on these three dots and then scroll down here and go to settings. So after you're on settings, go to performance. Now after you're on performance, you can just scroll down and check this out. Right here, just go to memory saver and turn this on. Now after you turn this on, this will literally save your memory, and it won't be taking up much memory of your laptop or PC. After doing this, what you'll need to do is you'll need to go and check your extensions. So go to manage extensions, make sure you don't have a lot of extensions, and because extensions will be running in the background, which will also affect your memory uses. So make sure you only have the ones that you need. After doing this, what you can do is you can just go to your settings again and then clear your cache. So you can just go to your settings, go to your privacy and security, and right here delete browsing history. You can delete your browsing history and cache, and you're good to go. So this is how you fix Google Chrome's high memory uses. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.